Welcome to our video on the existential risk of asteroid impacts. Today, we're going to be discussing the likelihood of an asteroid impact and its potential consequences for life on Earth. First, let's talk about the likelihood of an asteroid impact. While it may seem like something that only happens in movies, the reality is that asteroids do collide with Earth on a regular basis. In fact, it's estimated that there are over 1 million asteroids in our solar system that have the potential to collide with Earth. Now, you may be thinking, but if there are so many asteroids, why haven't we been hit by one yet? Well, the vast majority of asteroids are small and burn up in Earth's atmosphere before they can cause any damage. However, there are still larger asteroids that have the potential to cause significant damage if they were to collide with Earth. So, what would happen if an asteroid were to collide with Earth? Well, the consequences would depend on the size and location of the asteroid. A small asteroid that collides with Earth in a remote location may not cause much damage, but a larger asteroid that collides with a populated area could be catastrophic. An asteroid impact could cause widespread destruction, including fires, tsunamis, and even a nuclear winter scenario where dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere blocks out sunlight and causes a dramatic drop in temperature. This could lead to the extinction of plant and animal life, including humans. But it's not just the immediate impact that we need to worry about. An asteroid impact could also lead to long-term consequences such as a change in the climate, loss of biodiversity, and even the potential for a mass extinction event. So, now that we know the potential consequences of an asteroid impact, what can we do to prevent it? One solution is to detect and track asteroids that have the potential to collide with Earth. This can be done by using telescopes to search for asteroids and then using this information to calculate their orbits and determine if they pose a threat. Another solution is to develop technology that could be used to deflect an asteroid if it were on a collision course with Earth. This could include using a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and change its course, or using a laser or nuclear weapon to destroy the asteroid before it can collide with Earth. While the likelihood of an asteroid impact may be low, the potential consequences are too severe to ignore. By detecting and tracking asteroids, and developing technology to deflect them, we can reduce the risk of an asteroid impact and protect life on Earth. One of the most important steps in reducing the risk of an asteroid impact is detection and tracking of asteroids. NASA and other space agencies around the world have dedicated programs for this purpose, such as the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, and the Near-Earth Object Observation Program, NEOOP. These programs use telescopes to search for asteroids and track their orbits, allowing scientists to determine if they pose a threat to Earth. But detection and tracking alone is not enough. We also need to develop technology that can deflect an asteroid if it were on a collision course with Earth. One proposed method is the use of a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and change its course. This is known as the kinetic impactor method. In this method, a spacecraft would be sent to collide with the asteroid at a high speed, using the kinetic energy of the collision to change the asteroid's orbit. Another proposed method is the use of a laser or nuclear weapon to destroy the asteroid before it can collide with Earth. This is known as the nuclear explosive method. While this method has the potential to be highly effective, it also poses significant risks, including the potential for a nuclear winter scenario. Another method that is being studied is the use of a gravity tractor, which is a spacecraft that would use the force of gravity to pull the asteroid off its collision course. Another method is the use of a solar sail, which is a large, reflective surface that would be used to deflect the asteroid by reflecting sunlight. Besides these methods, there are also many other methods that are being studied, including the use of a solar sail and the use of a gravity tractor. One of the most promising methods for deflecting an asteroid is the use of a spacecraft equipped with a powerful solar-powered propulsion system. This system would use the power of the sun to generate a steady stream of high-speed ions, which would be directed at the asteroid to change its course. This method, known as the solar electric propulsion method, is considered to be one of the most cost-effective and reliable methods for deflecting an asteroid. It's also important to note that even if we are able to deflect an asteroid, it may still collide with Earth. Therefore, it's also important to have emergency plans in place in the event of a potential asteroid impact. This could include evacuation plans, emergency shelters, and emergency supplies. So, what can we do as individuals to reduce the risk of an asteroid impact? One of the most important things we can do is support research and development of asteroid detection and deflection technology. This can be done by supporting organizations such as NASA and other space agencies, or by supporting private companies that are working on asteroid detection and deflection technology. Another thing we can do is to stay informed about the latest developments in asteroid detection and deflection technology. This can be done by following the work of NASA and other space agencies, as well as private companies that are working on asteroid detection and deflection technology. Another way to help is by supporting the search for asteroids, either by volunteering to help, or by donating to organizations that are searching for asteroids. In conclusion, the existential risk of an asteroid impact is a serious concern that requires our attention. By detecting and tracking asteroids, developing technology to deflect them, and having emergency plans in place, we can reduce the risk of an asteroid impact and protect life on Earth. We can also support research and development of asteroid detection and deflection technology, stay informed about the latest developments, and support the search for asteroids. It's important to remember that the risk of an asteroid impact may be low, but the potential consequences are too severe to ignore. Thanks for watching.